Hello everyone, we are Team Bolui and today we'll be demonstrating the app that we have made and what we have done so far for Milestone 2. So just to recap, our app is an expense tracker that tracks your daily expenditure, and in the future we want to link it to PayLah and GrabPay, so everything will be very seamless. So what we are using to build this application is the Flutter framework and IntelliJ IDE. The Flutter framework allows us to write one code base and compile it for both iOS and Android, and it has pretty useful features like hot reload. Uh, yes, so everything in Flutter is it's a widget, so we're building widgets upon widgets, and at the bottom of it will be widgets that are available in the Flutter framework. So what we have here is the whole the code, and it starts off in this root page with controls for now, login state and not login state. So if you're not logged in, you'll see this, and then you get option to create an account or log in if you already have an account. And this is all linked to a Firebase, which is a backend service that provides all these features for you, and it's very easy to use. So let's begin. Once you reach this login page, let's say I want to create an account with abcd@hotmail.com and my password 1234567 8. After clicking create an account, it will update to Firebase, and you can see it over here if I refresh the page. And here we have our new account here. So all this is done seamlessly through this Firebase API, and you'll reach this main login page. So what we have done here is that we have a bottom navigation bar which allows us to add new screens very easily, and over here we have a pie chart that is currently showing generated data, as well as a list view of all the spendings that you have. For now, we have not managed to we have not implemented the querying data from Firebase, so these are all generated data. However, we have implemented adding data into the Firebase, and it's done through this plus button here. You can choose the category that you want, so let's say food, chicken rice, and the amount, let's say $3. So we have a validator to check that this field is indeed double numbers only, so it will not cause any problems when we want to query the data. So after you press add, this sends data to the database immediately, and it will be reflected over here. So since this has different accounts tied to it, the data will be sent to a particular account. So for here, this is the account that we have, and this is the user ID, and it's split into collections and documents. So collections are a collection of documents, and documents is where you actually store your data, which is done in a key value pair. So over here we have the user ID, the document that is created when we add the data, and these are the information that is shown. So amount $3, category null. Okay, that part has not been implemented properly yet. So the month is the current month, which is which is June, so 6, and the year is 28. But yeah, that was testing features, and the name chicken rice. So this is all done seamlessly using Firebase, and yeah, this is how we store the data. Okay, and over here this will eventually be data pulled from Firebase based on the month view and year view. So this will change and rebuild accordingly. And over here in settings, we want to implement a simple logout button, as you can see, and then other settings like dark theme and toggling between different views. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you for your time, and hope to see you again.